Hi guys, today I will show you the unboxing of my new Smart Garden 9 Pro. The box of this device is of very good quality and has a nice design. On the walls of the box, there are pictures that explain how to assemble the device. The first thing we see are the grow sponges with the seeds. There are 3 boxes that contain 3 pre-seeded sponges each. In the first box, we have lettuce. The second has mini tomatoes. And in the third we have basil. Next comes the lamp, which is connected to the power supply. The lamp has built-in Bluetooth, and it is very easy to control. The lamp is also equipped with arms that increase the height of growth. It also comes with germination domes. They are great for trapping moisture and making the seeds germinate much faster. At the bottom of the box is a large bowl with 9 holes. In each slot, there is a pot in which we will put the sponges. Each pot has a lid with a label for naming the plants. The bowl is not equipped with a pump and is simply a reservoir into which you need to pour water. At one end of the bowl, there is a simple water level sensor that tells you when to add water. And the last thing you will find in the box is a detailed guide on how to work with this indoor hydroponic system. That's it. Next time I will show you how I assemble and run the Smart Garden 9 Pro.